In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments in Stripe in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head over to stripe.com by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for now, let's proceed with logging in. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Carefully type in your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there are options to recover it right there on the page. After entering your details, click on the sign in button again to proceed. Next, Stripe may require additional verification for security purposes. They might send you a code via your registered email or phone number. Enter this code in the designated field to access your dashboard. This step ensures that your account remains secure and that only you have access to it. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. From here, look for the billing option, which is usually located on the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options related to managing your customers' payments. Once you're in the billing section, select subscriptions. This is where you will be able to set up all the details concerning recurring payments for your customers. Setting up subscriptions allows you to automate billing, saving you time and effort in managing individual payments. Now it's time to set up the specific details for your recurring payments. Begin by entering the customer's name or email address. This ensures that the system knows who the subscription is being created for. If the customer doesn't already exist in your database, you'll need to add them manually at this point. With the customer identified, you'll need to set the duration of the subscription. This could be monthly, yearly, or any other period that suits your business model. Choose what works best for the service or product you're offering. Next, add the product you're going to bill your customer for. This product should be already set up in your Stripe inventory. If not, you should create it beforehand. Along with the product, set the price you wish to charge. Make sure that the price reflects the value of your offerings and that it aligns with the expectations you've set with your customers. Moving on, decide when the billing should start. This could be immediately upon signing up or at a future date. Consider any trial periods you may wish to offer and configure this as necessary. Lastly, choose the payment method your customer will be using. This might involve credit cards, bank transfers, or other payment services that Stripe supports. Once all the details are correctly set up and you've reviewed everything, click Create to finalize the setup. And there you have it, a straightforward process to setting up recurring payments on Stripe. This system helps streamline the billing for your services, making it more convenient for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to handle recurring